Change can be scary or exciting at times, but I know that you are going to be completely fine because it is okay to be scared. Even when you are scared, you will have to get the job done. So, my dear friend, if you are nervous right now, don't worry, you are not alone. And if you are way too excited, then keep up your Josh high for this entirely new chapter of your life, the chapter of medical college, which will change everything, every way you think. So, now let's begin with the medical college journey. Hello, everyone, this is Akshay Juneja. 3 years before, after clearing my NEET UG 2017, I, just like you, was ready to go to my medical college. Now, when I realized that how weird mindset of a NEET student is, because on the one hand you are on the top of the world that you have finally got medical college for which you have worked hard for these 2 years, but at the same time there are some kind of hidden fears that how will be my college life, how will be the seniors of that particular college, how will be the batchmates, how will be my relation life and everything. All these things seems to be too much for a first year first day kiddo. But right now I will tell you my first year day, my first year journey, and I will tell you some insights that what happens on the first day, what all you need to know, how you need to manage things and keep your nerve calm. So let's begin and I will take you through my journey. So now after clearing NEET UG, that morning was completely different. I had that excitement to wake up and wear my apron. Now my parents stayed with me because my hometown is different from my college place, and my roommate Ram, his parents also stayed, and then finally we had our first lecture at 8:30 in the morning. So we got ready and we proceeded to the anatomy lecture hall. This is the image from the first day of anatomy lecture hall, and as we all gathered we had some small talks. We were really excited to see what happens now. And in the first day of anatomy lecture hall, what you wish is some orientation session which you have saw in Munna Bhai MBBS. Okay, so the similar was our experience. It was a great orientation session by our HOD from anatomy, and he was so charismatic that the whole vibe was at a different level. It was not an educational day when I have to just open my notes and start writing. It was something which was very much required to carry out the entire MBBS journey. The words that day will drive you throughout your 4.5 years of MBBS life. So just listen to his words very well. They all are very experienced and they know what mistakes do a student commit. So now that was a general orientation session which we had, and then we proceeded to the physiology lecture from 9:30 onwards. Now physiology lecture was pretty decent lecture in that there was generally and kind of orientation only, as well as the sir told us about what are all the units to be dealt in the physiology and just some basic exposure. On the first day, even in the first week, you guys need not to focus so much on notes making, just understand the process. Although right now at this times there might be foundation course as was in the 2019 batch, but whatever the case may be, just be attentive. Now the best part of the day was biochemistry lecture, because in biochemistry I remember my professor asked a question on the very first day and luckily I was able to answer that, and on the same day he gave me a pen. Okay, so now that feeling was a completely different feeling, because these things happen in school times. Okay, you answer a question, you get a reward, but in medical college you don't expect these things to be happening, but that small joy was a big vibe for me. So that is how my biochemistry lecture was from 10:30 to 11:30. Again, the lecture was a very basic lecture. My idea is not to tell you about what the day was, but I want to tell you some life lessons which I learned from that day. So now it was a very basic day. Now we were done with 3 lectures of anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. Although we did not studied anything, but still we were saturated sitting for 3 hours straight. So now it was a great session, and whatever I have learned throughout these years, I have summed up in my videos that how you have to study those individual subjects. So now after 11:30, at 11:30 the time was for dissection. The greatest experience, the greatest thing that every medico ever deals of. Even if you tell to your relative that you are an MBBS student, they will say murda kaate ho kya, है ना? So this is the thing. This is the thing when you are going to dissect cadaver. So although in the first week in my medical college we were just being able to exposure to the dead bodies. We were not directly dissecting, we were just get ready to the smell of formalin, okay? And that smell of formalin is at completely different level. Many students don't come eating breakfast and then they get fainted, but that is the issue. You don't need to worry about that. Even if you are not in the mood when you can think that I can deal with dead bodies, but still believe me, you will, okay? शुरू में दिक्कत आती है, सबको लगता है कि हम डेड बॉडी को कैसे देखेंगे, हमने तो बचपन से कभी खून नहीं देखा, या बहुत घबरा जाते हैं. बट दैट थिंग्स हैपन विथ एवरीवन, है ना? सब कोई बाहर से सर्जन बन के नहीं आते हैं. बट यू शुड हैव दैट विल पावर दैट यू विल हैव टू यूटिलाइज दीज डिसेक्शन स्किल्स in your future, and your professors will always cooperate with you. They will tell you each and everything that you need to do. So this was a basic layout of my dissection story, 11:30 to 1:30. Now this was our lunch time, and in lunch time it was the best time of the day. We all friends gathered, we had a fun chit chat, and we also made some new friends, and so it was a great time. Lunch time now, 1:30 to 2 was the lunch time on initial days. So now at 2 o'clock we had practical, physiology practical, okay? So not right from the first day you start doing physiology practical. It takes time. First of all, you just need to know what are the practicals, what are the classification and all those things. It was a general introductory class, okay? So now the time was approximately 3 o'clock, and although we have been an entire day of the college, we were not feeling tired because literally we have studied nothing, okay? But that excitement was also very high, that okay, finally the day was coming to the end. So we finally had a great learning session in the end of the day. Now this is an extra part which I want to tell you, that after our college regular hours happened, we went on to some local spots. We just made more friends, we talked, and we have some fun chats. So this is very important. You need not to worry that in your medical college right from the first day or the first week or the first month you have to study very hard. It is the time when you will realize that which people will stay with you forever, okay? So now these were the times which you need to give to the people also. You need to make new friends, and you need to understand what all life has to offer. Then after that we had a cricket session. Now this is the thing which many students might get confused. These are also pictures of our seniors, okay? So now in our college or in any medical college, you will listen a very famous quote कि कोई भी senior जल्लाद नहीं होता, okay? So now students have this notion कि यार रैगिंग बहुत होगी, बहुत मार पड़ेगी और what not, okay? But always remember, जो भी senior है वो भी एक इंसान ही है, आप ही की तरह नीट क्लियर करके ही आए हैं, उन्हें पता है आपकी क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है, okay? The only thing which you need to do is give respect. मेडिकल प्रोफेशन में सीनियर्स को रिस्पेक्ट देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट इज़ नॉट ज़रूरी, इट इज़ अ मस्ट, बिकॉज यू मस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दैट मेडिकल इज़ अ प्रोफेशन जिसमें सीनियर जूनियर इंटरेक्शन आज भी जिंदा है. कई ऐसे प्रोफेशन है जिनमें आज सीनियर जूनियर इंटरेक्शन इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, बट कल को यदि आप मेडिसिन में अपनी प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू करते हैं तो सीनियर जूनियर के इंटरेक्शन से आपको आगे भी मदद मिलेगी, राइट फ्रॉम द पेशेंट्स टू योर प्रैक्टिस. सो सीनियर जूनियर इंटरेक्शन एक रिस्पेक्ट का बॉन्ड होता है, और जैसे ही कुछ टाइम बीतता है, जब सीनियर को भी समझ में आने लगता है कि जो जूनियर है उससे समझ में आ गया रिस्पेक्ट कैसी करनी है, देन आपका बॉन्ड और अच्छा होते जाता है. तो शुरू में आपको ऐसा लगेगा दैट थिंग्स आर गोइंग वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, या बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान हो रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट नथिंग लाइक दैट. सब बस इंटरेक्ट करना चाहते हैं, आप भी नए आए हो, वो उनके लिए भी आप नए हो. सो एवरीवन जस्ट वांट टू हैव सम टॉक. So it's just a fun session. So we had some cricket, and by now the time was around 6-7 o'clock, but still this is the josh of first year student, that after that we went on a movie night, okay? So we again, a bunch of 6 to 10 friends, we went to watch a movie. At that time I don't remember, it was something like a Golmaal or some sort of Golmaal 3 sort of movie that time. So we just went, we watched the movie. No, it was Shad Jodwa 2. I don't remember really. So we watched that movie, and then at the end in night around 10-11 o'clock we went to chai shop, है ना? So this was the end of the day. Then again we slept and we waked up for the next day of the medical college, and now the things will start going sincere, okay? In your first week there's always a lighter note. You just go about general anatomy and all those things, and later on things become complicated. So before things becomes complicated, start acting. Do not worry about the syllabus, do not worry about the seniors, do not worry about your batchmates, or do not worry about your living conditions. Everything will fall into place. Okay, everything will take time. Even if you think that right now this is not your best state of mind, you will not get your best state of mind from the day one. It will take time, but at the end it will all be, sensible. So that is what the earlier quote was, that any change is very messy in the beginning, but at the end it is very beautiful. And this is your change, the biggest, and I think really the last change, because even if when you clear PG the life won't change much. Okay, but right now from a background where you need not, didn't have that experience of medical terms, now you are in an entire journey of medical life. So I hope this video for useful for all. I could not make it that aesthetic because I am shortly running off time, but I wanted to give you some, words of wisdom I should say. So I hope this video was beneficial for you all, and do not forget to subscribe, share with your friends, and all the best. And you have any doubts, you can DM me on Instagram. I will be happy to solve. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy, and all the best for your first day journey.